In this video of Back to Basics, we will be going over a type of binder system. At the beginning of the year, and then again at the beginning of the semester, you get a class schedule. Take it, put it in a sheet protector, and then stick it at the front of your binder. If you have multiple binders, make copies. Once you know how many classes you have, decide how you want to divide them. One binder for all of the classes, 2 binders to split them, and 1 for each class, or any which way you choose, as long as it makes sense for you. If you choose to have more than one class in a binder, get some colorful tabs to write the name of the class that section belongs to. Classes might have same, similar, or completely different tabs depending on what class you are in. Whether by tab or by binder, try to make each class a different color so you can have your notebook color coordinated. As a bonus, if you use a calendar, the color that your class is can be the same color you use to write class assignments in on your calendar. In case you forgot or just weren't paying any attention, this video of Back to Basics discussed binder systems. With any properly organized binder, you can conquer the school year with ease. Just keep it clutter-free.